Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Vegetable chopper. Meets various needs. The chopper contains 7 types of blade, meet all of your slicing, chunking, and shredding needs. The set also includes an egg white separator, a hand protector, a cleaning scraper, and a cleaning brush. You can easily separate egg whites from egg yolks, and the hand protector can better prevent injuries when handling ingredients. The instructions included in the set can help you become proficient in using Meal Helper vegetable chopper. Stainless steel blades and easy to clean. Several blades of Meal Helper vegetable chopper are made of stainless steel material, which is sturdier and cuts vegetables faster. The cleaning process after using the vegetable chopper is very important as it will affect your next use. Simply clean the blades with the enclosed cleaning brush and scraper. Efficient kitchen essentials. If you use a kitchen knife to slice or shred fruits and vegetables, garlic twister. Multi-held kitchen tool that can mince all kinds of ingredients, from garlic to ginger, herbs, nuts, and more. Instructions. Use the garlic twister to smash the garlic clove and loosen the skin for peeling. See video. This also softens the garlic. Place 2 to 3 cloves in the unit and progressively twist while working your way down. Expect minced bits mixed with juices to come out. Pan organizer rack. Pan and lid organizer. Efficiently store up to 5 pans or lids, helping you save valuable cabinet and countertop space. Versatile installation. This freestanding organizer offers both vertical and horizontal installation options, allowing you to choose the setup that best fits your space. Secure mounting. For added stability, the organizer can be secured to a fixed position by inserting a screw into the bottom screw hole. Screw included. 9 inches D in 9.5 inches fuse into 11.7786422. Spoon holder. Versatility. This ceramic spoon holder measures 6.1 into 5 inches, enough to easily hold spoons, spatulas, coffee spoons, etc. The spoon holder is also very useful for organizing your accessories, watches, and other delicate small items. Unique look. The reactive glaze with swirling pattern creates an elegant look. Air fryer magnetic cheat sheet. Air fryer magnet. This air fryer times and temp guide magnet is carefully crafted with waterproof, oil-resistant, and tear-proof materials. Our cheat sheet is built to last. The sturdy big magnet, 10.5 into 6.5 inch, and small magnet, 5 into 5 inch, securely attaches to your fridge or any magnetic surface. Air frying made easy. These cool kitchen gadgets come with 2 cooking essential magnetic cheat sheets made for air fryers that show the cooking time, temperature, and portion of food to take the guesswork out of cooking, so you don't have to waste time looking things up. This makes for a great air fryer cookbook for beginners. Larger font is printed on the small magnet with your most popular frozen foods for even easier referencing. Makes a thoughtful gift for all occasions. Mixing bowls. Premium material. Each bowl is made of high-quality, heavy-gauge stainless steel, which is resistant and rust-proof. Umite Chef mixing bowls feature a mirror finish interior and fingerprint-proof exterior. High-quality food-grade stainless steel. You and your family can use it with peace of mind. Larger bowl sizes. Our stainless bowls, deeper than standard bowl sets, allow for larger servings. This set contains sizes 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.5, 7 quarts. That gives you much more flexibility and less mess. Satisfy your demands for mixing large batters, tossing salads, washing vegetable, marinating and storing, etc. Bilbach. Trivet set. You will receive 4 pieces of trivets for hot dishes, measuring 7 inches in diameter and 0.3 inches thick. These hot pads for kitchen blend boho and country farmhouse styles, suitable for dishes, pans, and pans under 7 inches. Excellent water absorption. These hot pads is made of cotton ropes, which are super absorbent and sturdy. No worry about dishes or pans will dirty your table. Pure cotton material supports hand wash and machine wash. Heat resistant. Our pot holders are thickened to withstand temperatures up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. They can be placed under hot dishes, hot pots, and pans as protection and decoration. which can effectively block heat sources, scratches, and stains, perfectly protecting the tabletop and extending the life of the table. Toaster tongs. Meet Bernie, the bunniest toaster tongs ever. Made by design-awarded Ototo Studio, Bernie the bunny-shaped toaster tongs are ready to conquer even the toughest of hurdles. Once the toast is ready, he'll hop in to serve your breakfast. Comfiest non-slip grip. Don't ever stress about the mess with Bernie. Made from non-slip and heat-resistant beechwood material, our mini tongs for appetizers offer an ergonomic and secure grip that can help you grab toast. Food scale. Kitchen must-have. Friedel's digital food scale with removable bowl and measuring cup is the kitchen gadget you didn't know you needed for all your cooking, baking, meal prep, and food weighing needs. High-precision scale. Accurately measure wet and dry ingredients in 1 gram 0.1 ounce increments so you don't miss a gram or ounce in your cooking and baking. It easily converts to G-pods, F-pods, and ml. Multifunctional. This digital kitchen scale includes a large, detachable stainless steel non-stick turner. Professional grade for home cooks. Meticulously crafted from premium material for unparalleled durability and resilience to high temperatures without getting damaged. Durable enough for restaurants, but designed to make flipping while frying, sautéing, and grilling at home easier than ever before. Precision in every flip. This wide-slotted turner is perfect for cooking a variety of meals. Whether it's delicate eggs, sizzling fish, meaty burgers, or fluffy pancakes, it allows you to fry and flip with ease, ensuring your creations are cooked just the way you desire.